Hey, I'm Shane from Heat Shield Products. Today I'm going to show you how to install our MantelFlex shield. This obviously is not a mantle. Just for demonstration purposes, we're using the shelf. MantelFlex shield can also be used on a television or a sound bar. The tools you'll need for this install are gloves, dust mask, measuring tape, a knife to get the backing paper off, pin to make marks on your cuts, some scissors for cutting, and some cleaner to clean the underside of your mantle. First thing I'm going to do is take some measurements and then I'll cut my MantelFlex shield to fit. It does have an optional edging tape you can use, and if you're going to use the tape, what you want to do is make sure that you're taking your measurements about a ½ inch in from all the edges, so that way you'll have a space to put the tape. For this step, you want to make sure that your mantle, TV, or sound bar is dust free and clean. For this step, what you want to do with the backing paper is get in there with a utility blade, kind of get in the corner there between the backing paper and the adhesive, and then just kind of help push off the backing paper. So you know you got it right if you can see the shininess of the adhesive. If you start on a corner and you start to pull away the adhesive with the backing paper, what you want to do is stop and just move on to another corner and try on a different corner. So you'll have at least 4 corners you can try. When adhering it to the mantle, TV, or sound bar, you want to make sure you start at one edge and work your way across so you can avoid bubbles. And press firmly for 20 seconds. Now I'm going to show you how to install the optional edging tape. One little tip, don't pull the backing paper all the way off the tape, otherwise the tape's going to curl up on itself and stick to itself. So just pull it a little ways off and then just kind of get it started on your section. And you want to kind of have it half on the shield and the other half onto the surface you're adhering to. So that's what it should look like. You can see when I cut my MantelFlex shield that I had a place for the tape to adhere. When attaching the shield to inside of a cabinet or drywall, you may need to anchor it with some screws.